If you're going to be involved in the Millennium Alliance Keynote panel, this is the room that you'll be in. Whether you're sitting on an opening keynote panel or a breakfast keynote panel, you'll be giving your session to the entirety of the assembly. Throughout the assembly, a Millennium Alliance staff member will be sure to link you up with your fellow panelists and moderator. You'll be able to have some pre-panel discussion to really get the conversation going. In the back of the room, the AV team will be set up to help you with all of your technological needs. We'll place the handheld microphones on each seat, and we'll also have water bottles there for your convenience. At the start of the panel, the moderator will introduce themselves as well as the panelists. You'll have a screen below to be aware of the 1-hour timing you have for your panel. At the end of the panel, the moderator will usually leave time for a Q&A. A Millennium Alliance staff member will scan the audience at the Q&A and pass around a mic for any questions. More often than not, attendees stick around and continue the conversation before their next session.
The panel was great. I think that Cece was a fabulous facilitator and was really impressed with the engagement from the audience. And I'm excited to take some of the comments that the other folks on the panel made and see how we might apply them in our work environment.